Hi everybody, and welcome to this week's Make It Monday. For this week's project, we are going to do pom-pom painting. This is a lot of fun, and you get to paint with something that's not just a paintbrush. So what do we need for this project? You're going to need some paper. You are going to need pom-poms, some clothespins, and you need paint. And if you have it, you might want to have another piece of paper, or you might want a paper plate, something to put the paint on. It'll make it easier. I'm just going to use this extra sheet of paper. So let's get started. All right. This one we've got some pink. Oh, I love pink. Pink is one of my favorite colors. And then we've got some yellow. Okay, so we've got our pink and our yellow. And now we are going to put the clothespin on the pom-pom just like this. So I'm gonna take this and you just dip it in the paint. This is so much fun. And now you're just going to paint with it. So I'm gonna put this dot. Isn't that cool? That's such a cool effect. You see that? All right, let's use some pink. I'm going to use a slightly bigger pom-pom, and let's see what we can do here. All right. Look at that. Oh, this is so cool. I love to paint. Isn't this? That kind of looks like a flower. What do you think?
Looks really cool.
Looks pretty cool. All right. And then you can just keep going. So maybe this time you want to do pink is your center, like this. And you want to go around making yellow. What do you think? Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. And you can be, as I always say, bring your creativity and you can have a ton of fun with that. Look at that. And that even has some pink mixed in. Isn't that fun? All right, so for this week's Go Pack, this is what you're going to get. You're gonna get all the supplies to do pom-pom painting at home. You will get the pom-poms, the clothespins, the paper, and the paint. Now, our Go Packs are incredibly popular. This week, we had all of our Go Packs gone by Tuesday, so you wanna make sure that you stop in early this week and pick one up. And you can have fun with this at home. If you do this project, please share it on our Instagram page. We love to see your pictures and we love to see you doing these activities at home. Next week, I will be back and we will have a special Mother's Day project that's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to do resistance painting on canvases. So until then, I hope everybody has a great week and I'll see you back here on Monday. Bye for now.